It's the first Advent of the year! Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. As always, you guys, Advent season is here. I've been talking about it for weeks and we are finally unboxing the first Advent of 2024 on my channel. We are going to be doing so many Advent calendars this year, so if you are not subscribed yet, definitely do that. Stay notified because this is the first of many. So today's Advent calendar is by Benefit Cosmetics. Now, Benefit Cosmetics is a brand that I actually use regularly. Today, I use several of their products for my brows. I absolutely love them. And I thought, why not try their Advent calendar? So this is a first. I have not done an Advent from them previously, but this one is so flipping cute. So it's called the Gorgeous Grocer. And look at this, you guys. It's an actual grocery basket. I mean, how cute is that, you guys? It's very lightweight, not too heavy. My understanding is that you'll be able to reuse this as well. So once you take all your products out, you'll actually have this plastic basket and you can collapse it flat if you need to, take it with you. I just think it is so cute. And this is one of the reasons why I love Advents. They're so creative every year. Now, if you guys do want to purchase this Advent, I do have a link posted down below for you guys. And if I find any coupon codes, I will be posting those as well. I will keep all of these Advent videos on one playlist, and I will be constantly updating them with coupon codes as I get them or find them or as they become better as the season goes on. So definitely keep an eye on the playlist that will be entitled Advent Calendars 2024. You will see all of the calendars that I'm unboxing, and I'm also going to be ranking them in the order of best to worst. Oh! I love this season, you guys. I love opening these. So here's what my first one looks like. We pull out box number one and then it shows an ice pop on here. So I don't know if this is like we're going grocery shopping and these are all of the items that we bought. Stop, they are all different. Look, door number 2 is a roll of salami. Oh my gosh, you guys. So they are all different boxes. Look, number 7 is a can of beans. So in all of these, they look like we've actually went to the grocery store. So in door number 1, our first product that we have in here is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in shade number 4 is what we have. I had to find it here. Now, this brow pencil is one of the products that I use on my brows. I don't use this shade. This is a little bit too dark for me. 4 is a dark brown color. I could definitely do this shade if my hair was darker, but because it's lighter right now, I've been going with a lighter one. But I do love this product. Now, this is travel size, but honestly, they do last a really long time. In door number 2, we have a travel version of their Professional. This is the Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Now, this one is 19 ml or 0.67 ounces. This is something that you can apply all over your skin and it will help to clean out your pores and reduce the look of them. So it is a foaming cleanser. You know, in the hubbub of all of this and just being excited, I think I forgot to tell you how much this calendar was. So this one with taxes cost me about $175 for it. So there was free shipping on here as well, but the entire calendar itself was about $175. In door number 3, we have a bottle of hot sauce. And in this one, we have got their famous primer. This is from the Professional and it is their matte primer. This baby's been around for a long time. It does a great job of holding your makeup in place, but it also blurs your pores. So it will keep everything smooth. It's a great product to use if you're having pictures taken. Put it on that day. It does a really nice job under camera. In door number 4, we have one of their sample products. This is called Willa. This says that it is a soft neutral rose blush. So this is one that I think will work for multiple skin tones. So I think it's going to be very universal. It's just a very soft blush. Number 5 is a bag of chips, you guys. I mean, it is so cute. I love the little details here, you guys. It's adorable. All right, in this box, we have got the tiniest sample ever. This is only 2 ml. Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint. The shade is number 20, which is Red Velvet. Oh my gosh, though, you guys. This is like really tiny. It's like a spot. But we'll do a swatch real quick so we can look at the red. Oh, it's pretty. I do like it. It's a very pretty color. It's very soft. But oh my gosh, this is really small. See, that's the thing is I'm so excited to be opening up Advents and I'm like, oh, this is great. And then it's like these little samples bring me back to reality of like, wait a second, I spent $175 to get a tiny little sample like this. Like, okay, maybe the box will get better. We're gonna see. I'm also just so excited, you guys. Next up for number 6, we have a tomato bottle on here. And in this door, we have got the Gimme Brow product. This is their number 3 shade, which is a brow volumizing fiber gel. It is 0.03 ounces. Now, this is a product that I also use for my brows. I think it does a great job, works really well. You just have to find your shade is the only thing. But look at this tiny little spoolie, you guys. So cute. We also have the Deep Retreat Pore Clearing Clay Mask. So this one is 10 ml of product and we have a little tin here. This is a mask that you'll put on as a deep cleanse. We also have a sample product of their mascara. This is the Fan Fest mascara. So it's a fanning or volumizing one. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what that wand looks like. It is a black mascara. It's got a little bit of a curve to it, but even the fibers themselves have kind of like a helix around the wand. So it's supposed to fan those lashes out and really give you volume for your looks. I do think this product works. I just always have a hard time with curved wands, you guys. I don't know what it is. If I get a curved wand, I will stab myself in the eye. So I just don't do it anymore. But I have used this one. I did feel like they did a great job with the fibers, the way that they're on there, because it does help to fan everything out. It's just, you know, I'm special and not very talented and can't use a curved wand. Well, I'm noticing a trend. Door number 9 is one of these really small boxes again. And we have a small little palette item of sorts. So I'm starting to notice that any of these really tiny boxes are gonna be like this. So this one is number 9. It is the Golden Brick Red Blush. It's in shade Terra. So this is one of their mini blushes here. And again, it's going to be a powder formula. Very similar to the other one that we saw earlier, but you can tell there are more red undertones. Number 10 is going to be a honey bottle. I love it. At least my honey all comes in a bear. I don't know if that's how it is everywhere, but here we get honey at least in a bear. And this one is their famous Benetint. Now, this is a good product, you guys. I wish it would have been full size. This is a very small sample, but I will tell you that this lip tint product, you don't need a lot of this to give your lips some color. It is a very powerful tint, and it does like a staining effect, so it will keep that color there for quite a while. The shade on this one is Rose, it looks like. So this is the Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. It's 2 ml of product. I forgot, you can use this on your cheeks as well if you want to do a little bit of color there. I've always just used it for my lips. And again, I take so little. I just do like one dab and kind of blend that out with some chapstick. It does a really nice job. So it's a very soft color, and you can always layer that if you would like to, and then it will build that color up. They do have different shades in this product as well, but it does work really well. In door number 11, we have their Clear Brow Wax. This wax is one that you can put on to shape and mold your brows into any shape that you'd like. In door number 12, we have the Starla product. This is a rosy bronze blush. So it's a little bit deeper is all, but again, it will be a single pan. You can tell that this one's got a little bit more of that bronzing effect. So we are halfway through this calendar, you guys, and I have not seen any full-size products yet. They are products that I will still personally use because I've used them already. So I'm not totally unhappy with this, but I would have thought we would have seen some full-size products by now. All right, next up for door number 13, we have yet again another small sample. This one is going to be 2 ml of product, and we have the Moisturizing Dewy Lip Tint. So this one's gonna have a little bit more of that dewiness. The shade is number 5, which is Honeymooner. Now see, this should have went in the box with the bear on it with the honey. I don't know, that's just me being really picky, but we're gonna go right up top here. Oh, I like this one. So this definitely has more of a gloss to it as that dewiness. Very pretty. It looks a little bit like a peach tone too. Hey, this is much bigger. This is the 24-hour brow setter. So this one is going to be in door number 14. It's a little bit larger of a box as well. So I do like that. I don't think this is full size yet, but it is at least a bit bigger. So it's the 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. It is just clear again. 7 ml of product is what we have here. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So in door number 15, we have the Tight and Toned. This is a toning foam, and it features AHAs and PHAs inside of it. So this is a foam you would apply after you've cleansed, and this will be your toner. We also have the They're Real mascara. So this is travel size. It is in the shade black once again. This one, I believe, is a lengthener instead of volume, so that's the only difference with it. But you'll notice with this wand, the fibers are a little bit shorter as well, so it's designed to even get those little small eyelashes. It always looks like a cactus to me. I don't know about you guys, but I look at it and I'm like, man, that looks prickly. Additionally, we have another little product. So this one is the moisturizing matte lip tint. So we had the oil, we've had now the glossy or the dewy one that they did, and now this is a matte lip. The shade on this is number 26, which is Quality Pleasure. 2 ml of product once again. And I'll go ahead and do one right up top here, and you can see what that matte shade looks like. Very pretty though. I do like the mattes. They're very creamy and very soft when you apply them. I was wondering if we were gonna get this. So this is their Super Setter Setting Spray. This is one of the first setting sprays that I ever did when I was getting into makeup, you guys. Like, it just was my OG, the one that I always used. I now use a couple other ones that I think do a little bit better of a job, but I still think, I mean, I would still use this product, you guys, so it's not like this is gonna go to waste at all. So this is their Super Setter Setting Spray. At 15 ml of product is what we have here. There is also a liner in the box. Now this, I think, might be our first full-size product, you guys. This liner's in the shade black. It is 1 ml or 0.03 ounces. It's the Roller Eyeliner. I would bet money this is a full-size product. So at least there's something full size in here. You have your felt tip here, and then it's a liquid black eyeliner. Number 20 is a can of tuna on here. Well, maybe it's not tuna. I'm gonna go with tuna. Maybe it's salmon or some other fish. But this has their famous hula in here. This is a matte bronzer. And again, oh my gosh, you guys, I was addicted to this bronzer when I first got into makeup. Partially because Ipsy was sending it all the time in my bags, but I used it all the time, and I used it everywhere, you guys. So this is the matte bronzer. If you're getting into makeup, I love this. It's one of the best bronzers out there. Again, I use different products now, but that's also just because I get more to choose from boxes, but this is still a really great product. At this point, you guys, I think we went through all of their lip products, but apparently there's another one in here. So this one is the Moisturizing Dewy Lip Tint. So same that we saw earlier with this shade here, we now have another shade. So this one is number 17, which is Heat Wave. These are all 2 ml of product. So I'm gonna go right over here, and you can see what this dewy one looks like. Again, very soft, very creamy. And I do kind of like the low shine that is on this product. It's not super glossy. It's just a little bit of a shine. In door number 22, we have the Roller Lash Mascara. So this one, again, one of their OGs. It's weird. I didn't realize I used so many Benefit product when I first started. Like, I just did not realize it, and now I'm seeing all of this, and it's like, man, it's taking me back, and I remember using all of these products, and they're all great. I mean, there's a reason why it's still around to this day, you guys, but this one is a super curling and lifting mascara that we have here with this one. So door number 23 is the next one that I'm up to, and in this one, we have the Claudia. This is a misty pale pink blush inside of this box here. So again, just single pan that we're looking at. And this is what it will look like down below. Last up is door number 24. This is our baguette inside of our grocery basket. And in this one, we have a full-size mascara. This is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara that we have here. So there are a total of 2 full-size products in this entire calendar, you guys. Now, before I wrap up this video, I do want to show you guys what the basket looks like outside of all of the packaging. They actually designed it really well that it just slips right out. So you can pull this entire carton out with all of your items and then just get straight to your basket. And I do think it's really nice. I like that they've got even handles here on the sides. They've got the handles up here on the top as well. And then, like I said, it's supposed to collapse flat, but I'm not quite sure. Oh, there it is. Okay, see, I knew that was gonna happen, that I'd end up whacking myself. So you're able to push in the sides, and then this will collapse like that. So it does collapse. I really like the basket. I have a few ideas of using this product. It's probably gonna stay in my car because I love having an organized trunk space. So this is probably where I'm gonna use it at. So actually, I think this is a really handy way to do an advent. So that is everything for today's unboxing of the Benefit Cosmetics Advent Calendar for 2024. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you think. I have a couple of thoughts from a reviewing aspect. First off, I'm a little bit biased because this is the first one of the year, so I'm just very excited to be doing it today. I feel like this could be worth it if you know you're going to use most of these products. And in my case, I will use all of the mascaras, the liners, the setting spray that's in here, the cleansers, all of those products are going to get used. So I do see a value there. And I really like that if you've never tried Benefit before, you basically can try their entire lineup with this advent. The part that I don't like is I feel like $175 for mostly samples is kind of a lot. And this happens quite frequently with advents, that they overprice them. So personally, I think $175 is too much for this. I think it's a beautiful advent. I like what's inside of it. I will use these products. I think there is a value here. I just think $175 is too high. I feel like this should be like $100 to purchase, and then it would definitely be worth it. So I'm not saying don't buy this one, but I am recommending maybe keep watching. Let's see what else is out there. You know what I mean? Unless you know that you are a Benefit lover and you loved every one of these products, I would say let's just wait on purchasing this one. But of course, if you want to be rogue, I have a link down below too, and you can go get yourself one if you would like to. So that is everything for today's unboxing, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And like I said, more advents are coming. I have so many ordered. And honestly, you guys, not all of them have launched yet either. There are going to be so many more advents launching in the next couple of months. So stay tuned. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below because I have got you covered this year for advents. So until next time, have a great day, you guys, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.